It's been a while, and it's time to have some fun. Oh, I'm so happy to be doing this again.
Good.
Hi everybody, and welcome back to Tactical Toby Airsoft. It has literally been 3 months since I last played Airsoft, so I am downright excited to play Airsoft. I'm going to be splitting this event up into multiple videos, so I can make sure to get more videos out as fast as I can. So stay tuned for more videos, because I have a lot coming out. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and smash that bell, because I post content weekly, and I don't want you to miss anything. Today, we are playing at a field that we call Curtis's Place, because it's Curtis's Place. The layout here is pretty simple. There's lots of trees, lots of room to run, lots of bushes, lots of brush, and very, very muddy. So let's do this.
Down low is going to be so open.
Especially with them having a sniper.
Yeah.
Go through the middle. We can go up the road. What do you want to do?
I think somewhere around here.
Okay. Well, maybe like kind of fan out.
Yeah.
All cover kind of the top end.
Alright.
Roby middle, and you're kind of to the left.
Okay.
We're ready!
3, 2, 1, go!
For the game mode, we are doing a 3-on-3 deathmatch with 2 lives.
One down.
And today, my brother Weston is playing with us, and he's on the opposite team. So I am keeping my eye out, because if I see him, I am really gonna shoot him. I think I might have discovered a Sasquatch, but I can't be sure.
Poor Weston. I heard a screech.
Too bad. Someone got to him before I could. But it's fine, because it sounds like he really got shot up.
I heard a screech, Weston. You okay?
What?
I heard a screech.
My arm.
You okay?
I guess. I had multiple in my arm.
There's a sniper at the bottom of the property, but I don't really have range, and so I'm really arcing the BBs to try to get him there. Didn't think I'd be getting attacked from behind already.
Nice. Behind a tree back here.
I kind of feel stupid that I said, he's behind a tree back there, because there's literally hundreds of trees in this forest.
I guess we won. Sorry, Roby. Not good communication on my part.
Well, I was looking right at that tree.
Yeah.
I was looking where you were aiming and where he was aiming, and I'm like, man.
Toby, how did you turn around and know I was right there?
I just had a feeling. Creeping down my spine.
I hope you like that Airsoft gameplay. And like I said, I'm splitting this event up into multiple videos so I can put it out as soon as I can. And so I'll have multiple videos coming out in the near future. So stay tuned. And always, thanks for watching.